What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing something pretty cool. We are going to create a speaking chatbot using HTML, means not a speaking chatbot, very simple chatbot which used in the WhatsApp or Telegram. In these websites it can use in HTML, CSS and JavaScript and in Python. Yes, you heard the right now. This chatbot wouldn't make you a cup of coffee or tell you the meaning of life, but it will talk to you, which, let's be honest, is the next best thing. Now, I know what you are thinking. A chatbot? Isn't that just a robot that repeats what you say? Well, sort of, but this chatbot will have a sense of humor and it might throw in a joke that even makes you question your life choices. So, sit back, relax, and let's build a chatbot that's only smart, not only smart, but also knows how to have a good laugh. Okay, and let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with loving it. Guys, let's create our new project. Okay, so chatbot using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and we are building a Telegram chatbot. Okay, this chatbot will be used in the WhatsApp. Okay, we use this chatbot in our WhatsApp. So let me show you how. So let's start. First of all, let me open my Visual Studio Code. But if you do not have downloaded, so let me set up environment first of all. So first of all, we open our Google, search here our text editor name Visual Studio Code download. Then when we click on the Visual Studio Code download, the first the link has been came download Visual Studio Code Mac, Linux or Windows. So there are this Visual Studio Code is free and available on your favorite platform Linux, Mac and Windows. Now I click on the first link, and if you are in Windows, download on Windows. If you are on Mac, download on Mac. If you are on Linux, or download on Linux. First of all, I am only on Windows, so I am downloading Windows, and I have already downloaded, so I did not download it one more time. So when I open my Visual Studio Code, so this type of an interface has become on my monitor. So first of all, I create one file. The shortcut key of creating the file is Control Alt Windows N. But first of all, we do not create a file. First of all, we create a folder in the D drive, and my folder name is WhatsApp chatbot. Okay, then when we create this folder, I'm drag and drop this folder on my Visual Studio Code, and then my file will be built. Now when I have opened my folder, first of all I create a file by the name of index.html in my folder. Okay, then I create one more file by the name of style.css in my folder. Then I create one more file by the name of index.js. What is the name of the file? File name is index.js, or you give your file name should be like chatbot.js, because using the HTML we add some elements, and using the JavaScript we add a word interactivity, and using the CSS we add some stylists. Okay. Now first of all we define our JavaScript code. In our JavaScript code, first of all we define const. Using const we declare our variable. Okay. Document.get element by id chatbot, and then like this, and then const, using const we define our conversion equals to document dot get element by id conversion, and then we write const input form equals to document dot get element by id, then we write here input form, then using const we write input field equals to document dot get element by id, and then here we write input slash field. Now here we add event listener to input form. Okay, so input form dot add event listener submit comma function, then here we write event, then here we enter press. Then here we prevent our form submission, event dot prevent default. Then here we get our user input. Using const we declare our input variable, then input field dot value. Now we write here, now we clear our input field dot value equals to like this. Now const current time equals to new date, and then here we define dot to local time string, and then here we write this, then comma, then here in the curly brackets we write here hour, then 2 digit, and then here we define comma again, then here we define minute. In it we write 2 digit, then here we give the space, and then like this. Now here we add a user input to conversion. So using let we declare our variable let message equals to document dot cheat, not cheat, create an element div, then message dot class list dot add, and then using it you write chatbot slash message, then here we write user slash message, and then when we do this we write a message dot inner html equals to p, then dot class equals to chatbot slash text, and then we write here, when we do this we write here send time equals to $, and then we write here current time, and like this, and then what we can do it, we write here double commas, in it we write like this, and then $, and then input, and then perfect, and then we close our p element. And now when we do this we write conversion, then dot append child, and then message, and then like this. Now here we generate our chatbot response. Const, using const we declare our response variable, then generate here we write like generate response input, and then here we add our chatbot response to conversion. So let's add it. Message, we write our message variable, then here we write document dot add event listener, and then in it we define div, then here we define message dot inner html, then equals to, and then when we write equals to we write here space it, then p, then class equals to chatbot slash text, then here we write send time, in it we write $, current time, and then in it we write our double commas, then do the same thing else $, and then response, and then close our p tag, p element of p tag, okay, whatever you called it. Conversion dot append child message, then message dot scroll scroll into view should be behavior smooth perfect. Now when we write it, we write here like this and then this. Now perfect. Now when we do this, we do all the things, so now perfect. Now save it, and now we define our HTML code. So first of all, we define doc type declaration, HTML, head, meta. Now we define a meta tag, charts, UTF /8 meta HTTP /equiv x/UA then /compatible content IE/8 meta name viewport, and then content width equals to device, then /width comma, then initial /scale equals to 1.0, and then perfect. Enterprise. Now we define a title in it, define title, and then title should be chatbot link rel style sheet href style.css. Now we link our file HTML file to CSS. Now here we define body element, div class will be chatbot/container, not chatbox, chatbot. Okay, give the div id shall be header. Then in the h1 means in the heading you write chatbot. Then when we write it down it, so what we can do it here, we write like why we are writing chat box, we write chatbot. Okay, div id should be chatbot. One more time, by the mistake I am writing chatbot again and again. Okay, now id should be conversion. Okay, then div class will be chatbot/message, then p class chatbot/text. In it we write hi, then it's great to see you, and like this. And then here what we can do it, here we define a form, and the form id should be input/form, enter. And the here we define matches/container, enter. In it we define input id, input/field, text, placeholder will be type your message here. Then here we define button, id shall be submit button, tab should be submit. Image should be class sand/icon, and then Cerex will be sand/message.png, and alt like this. Now let me insert the image, and where is my image? So there is my image. So let me copy this image, and then let me go on my D drive, and where is my WhatsApp chatbot? So there is this. Copy this name, and then I'm pasting this name and .png. Now when we do this all the things, so save it, and then when I open my here, so it is looking like this. Now let's style it using the CSS, and there is the very much code of the CSS. So let's start to write it. Body display flags, this define content will be center, and then dot chatbot slash container. Width should be 900 pixels. Margin should be 0 auto. Background color hashtag F5, 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 and then border should be 1 pixel. Solid hashtag C. Now, here we define border radius should be 5 pixels. Now, box shadow will be I think box shadow will be 0, 2 pixels, 5 pixels, RGBA 0, 0, 0, and then 0.1. Now here we define hashtag chatbot. In it we write background color hashtag F5, 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 border 1 pixels, solid hashtag CC F1, F5, box shadow 0, 2 pixels, 0 pixels, 0 RGBA, then it should be 0, and it should be also be 0. Blue should also be 0, but in the alpha give him 0.1. Border radius will be 4 pixels. Now we define an ID of the header. Background of it should be dark slate green, dark I think give the color should be dark slate gray. Okay, like this. Text color should be hashtag FFFFF. Now add a little bit padding, and the padding should be for 30 pixels I think, and text font size will be 1 rem, and then font weight should be bold. Now define here the message slash container. In it define the background color hashtag FFFFF or F. Then width of it 100%, display flags, and align items will be center. Then hashtag conversation, height 500 pixels, overflow Y should be auto, padding 20 pixels, display flags, flag direction column, keyframes, message slash fade slash in. In it we write from opacity should be 0, transform translate Y minus 20 pixels. Then we write here in opacity should be 1, transform translate should be Y should be 0. Perfect. Now we write our all the code. So let's see how it has been built. So let's see the interface of it. So let me save it, this file, save this file, save this file. So let's see which type of output it will give me. So when I open it so let me open it my D drive, and in D drive I make a one folder by the name of WhatsApp chatbot. So let me open it. So it is looking like this. So you can see it. Like it is looking like we are talking in the Telegram. Okay. So first of all, let me write here hi, or you can press this button. So it give me I'm sorry, or it is telling me the time also. Air time is 7:26, and it is also telling me 7:26. So if I saying how are you, so it is giving me I'm here to assist you with any question or problem you may have. I have helped you today. So let me come on my here chatbot. How if I write here hello, how can I help you today? I am writing this type of one question in it. So it is giving me I'm here to assist you with a question. and or problems you have, how can I help you today? So it is giving me this type of one chatbot. It has been built. So I'm looking, I'm sorry, I'm repress it and giving this. So it is giving me, I'm assist you. Here you can see it like that. You can give the question and give you the answer. So hi, how are you? And like this, it is giving me the answer, and the time is also be changing. Here you can see 7:27. So here you can see it like that. We make a one chatbot. It's like a Telegram chatbot using it very easily as using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Or if you want to do the changes in the chatbot, so you will also be changes. Like let me show you one thing. Like the one of our speaking chatbot. So in it we define our all the code. Sorry, remove it. Where it is, okay, there it is now. So you will also we do it like this. Now save it and then run it. So now if I say hi, so it give me out in the output, it is not giving me anything because I have changes all the things. Hello. So that's why. But let me do save it and run it. So if I write hi, it should give me, I'm sorry, I'm not programmed to handle officers or appropriate language. Please refrain you are using such language in our conversion. So you can see if I write hello, I can help you today. If I write you told me about doctor, should give me, I'm here to assist you with any question or problem you may have, I can help you today. So like that. If you add more data, so it give you the more questions about the questions of the answers. If you add here more data, okay, I do not add many data, so not it is not giving me the output such type of. If I add many data, so then it give me the output. So it is saying me what will like you to know. I am saying programming. Showing me, I'm sorry, I'm not programmed to handle offensive or ambiguous language. Please refrain or using such language in our conversation. So you can see it. If I write hello, so like this, here you can see it. It will give me different output. So you can see it. Like that, you make your own chatbot, Telegram chatbot, and this is a responsive chatbot. Okay, you create your own responsive chatbot. Here you can see it. This is responsive. You use that in any platform, iPhone 6, iPhone 7, Samsung S21 Ultra, or anything. You can see it. So like that, you can make your chatbot using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and this is our responsive chatbot. What? This is our responsive chatbot using Telegram. Okay, Telegram chatbot. Without adding CSS and JavaScript, it is looking like this. But when we add JavaScript, CSS, and all the things, so it is looking like this now. Here you can see it. Also, you change the font of it, like from style.ca, you will be also be change the font. Like I give the font family Poppins, comma sans serif. Save it and then run it. So like that, the font has been changed. So you can see it. Now the time has been also be changing, like 7:30 now. Here you can see it, and in the real time is also be 7:30. So you can see the time is also be changing. So like that, you can make your own Telegram chatbot. You called it Telegram chatbot. Okay. So like that, or you add more data in it, so it give you the all the answers of your questions. If you add a more data in it, I do not add many type of data, so that's why it is not giving me the answer of any questions. Okay, because I do not add a many data. If you add many type of data, so then give you the answer of the any questions because you add that data. So that's why. And how to add a data in your chatbot, so go into the Google and search the data all about it, so add it. Okay, I am not adding it because this the video, my main topic is how to build a chatbot. So I have already told you that, and we transfer our chatbot in responsive also. So but I hope you can get this class. So like that, you make your chatbot using AI or languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and you must know that all the AI things is built using programming languages. ChatGPT is built using programming languages, and in ChatGPT there is in the backend there is a Python, JavaScript, and that all the languages. And in our this chatbot there is all the backend languages like Python, like JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and like this type of languages. So like that, you build your chatbot. So now I give you the outro in the big screen. So let's come on our big screen and let's give the output of this video. And that's it, folks. We just created a speaking chatbot that can not only talk but maybe even crack a joke or two. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. Got any question or suggestion, drop them in the comments below and I will do my best to get back to you. That's all for today. Catch you in the next one. Until then, take care, okay, and goodbye.